इसी पे तो Hi guys, today we are going to talk about SA-2, that is Straight Aim 2. Our previous video was about SA-1, which is also a very good tool, and about cueing, muscle memory. But now we are talking about SA-2, that is Straight Aim 2. This is actually a specialized tool for centralized striking, top spin, stun shot in the middle of the white ball, and the screw shot. We can play shots from this one. It has two parts. It has one of is made of foam, and other one is with a metal, a very high quality metal. It is made in New Zealand by a Str9Aim company. Str9Aim is owned by Vincent Tate. He's from New Zealand. He's an innovative person and of course a snooker coach as well. So we are going to work with one of my students, Mudassir, who is a former national player and also Islamabad champion. So he's a century player. So we're going to see how this tool is going to help him improve his correct aiming. I'll show you the working of this foam as well. Let's start. A shot that you are hitting on the top, make sure the line is straight with this line. Okay. Now hit it on the top. Okay. And finish your cue full. Okay, now that's a good shot. Let's see what is the result of your hitting. Now you can see your hitting is not in the center. Even though you were hitting on the top, there was a slight tendency of right hand side, isn't it? Now we'll clean it and we'll play again. Okay. Now keep doing it unless you start hitting in the center. Now you'll have to hit on the top again, and this time make sure you finish in the center. Second attempt. Okay, show me that. Now this is better. Now you see, and guys, you can see because he was careless in his first striking, that's why he couldn't hit in the center. Now it's very nice. Now let's try the stop shot, the middle of the. Let's clean it. You can always clean it, it's very easy to clean. Again. Okay. Now it is in the center of the white ball. It's been measured very properly according to the height of the white ball. Okay, this is nice. Let's see. Now your finish was complete. That's why you've managed to hit in the center again. It's very nice, very nice. Good hitting here, nice. Okay, now let's do it. Same with the screw shot. Okay. Now it is the bottom of the white ball. It's nice. Okay guys, now we are going to set SA-2 for a proper shot, a real shot. You can see the height of SA-2 is very decent, exactly adjustable for the white ball. It's a 1G ball set, so it's a standard ball set. Now I would like you to play on the top of the white ball if you can, so we can see how good you are hitting. क्या ख्याल है? That's a good shot. That's a good shot. Brilliant shot. हाँ ना. So I hope you enjoyed working with this Mudassir, and it's a very helping tool for your correct cueing and aiming. So guys, this is SA-2 and I'm sure you have enjoyed this video, and you can buy it from their own website. The link is on the description, or you can download our mobile app AK Snooker Mentor. The link is also in description, and you can place an order in through there as well. And the website link and their phone numbers are there. This gadget is made by Vincent Tate from New Zealand, and it's a high quality tool for practice and training.